Hi everyone, today I'll show you a quick screen recording of my project OS installation. Let's take a look. VMware Workstation is a virtualization software that allows you to create and run virtual machines on your computer. First, install the VMware Workstation, then install it. Now, click the Finish button. Now, let's open the VMware Workstation and click Continue. Select Yes, Finish.
Now let's see how to install Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a special version of Linux operating system that designed for cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Open the Kali Linux file. Inside the extracted folder, look for a file with the extension .vmx. Open this using VMware Workstation. We need to check whether network adapter is NAT. If so, click power on this virtual machine. Click OK. I copied it. Now let us enter the username Kali and the password Kali.
Now let us see how to install Metasploitable. Metasploitable is a purposely vulnerable computer system used to practice hacking and learn about computer security.
First, to download the VMware Workstation tool, search Metasploitable and then click the link source force. Select the files option, then open the Metasploitable file, then download it.
Now I click on Metasploitable. Check for a file with .vmx extension. Now I check in the properties. Let's open the Metasploitable file. Here check for network adapter. It should be NAT. Network adapter 2 should be host only. Now I select the power on the virtual machine. Click OK. I copied it. Now let us enter MSF admin as username and enter password MSF admin. It is invisible. Now I enter ifconfig to find IP address. Now let us go to Kali Linux. Type the password. Now select Firefox. Now I'm going to type the IP address here. Now let's see how to install VBox. VBox is a vulnerable virtual machine designed to help people practice hacking and learning web security.
Now, to download the VBox tool, search VBox, then click this Sourceforce link, select files, and then download this link.
Now let us open the bbox file with the VMX extension. Check whether network adapter is NAT and power on this virtual machine. Select OK. I copied it.
Now let us install VMware. VMware is an industrially vulnerable web application designed for learning and practicing web security testing. Select file with .vm extension. Check whether network adapter is NAT and click power on this virtual machine. Enter username root, password OSBWA. Enter ifconfig to get the IP address. Note down the IP address. Now open Kali Linux. Open Firefox and enter the IP address. OS installation has been done successfully. Thank you.